In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Apps and Services. Then click on App Twin and tap on a gray sweater next to any app that's available to clone. Lastly, just wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!